One wrong tax calculation isn't just a small mistake. It's a shortcut to account restrictions, compliance issues, or heavy penalties. What if you could handle global currencies and complex taxes professionally? Today, I'm going to show you how professional e-commerce stores actually handle currencies and taxes, the same way enterprise teams do, without manual work, extra plugins, or constant manual fixes. The store is powered by FluentCart. It's designed to handle massive complexity in the background so you can stay focused on your sales. Let's start with the basics. Currency. Inside FluentCart settings, you get full control over your store's personalization. With one tap, you can choose from a massive range of global currencies. And you're not locked into a generic format. You can adjust exactly how symbols and decimals appear so they resonate with your local customers. You can even handpick your payment view to match your store's vibe. It's about building one-to-one trust before the customer even clicks buy. Speaking of trust, let me share a pro tip. FluentCart is fully translatable, including dates, times, and number formats. When a customer in Europe sees a date or price formatted exactly how they expect, your store feels native, not like a generic template. It's these small details that skyrocket conversion rates. Now, let's get into taxes, because this is where most stores fall apart. Once you enable taxation in FluentCart, you move from guessing to systemizing. If you sell products with different rates, like regulated goods, apparel, or digital downloads, you can create separate tax classes in seconds. Simply name your class, set up a priority number, assign it to the category for which they'll be applicable, write a short description about it, and hit create. From that point on, FluentCart applies the correct tax automatically every time without manual adjustments. This prevents one of the most common and costly mistakes store owners make, charging the wrong tax on regulated products. You know what? You don't even have to do that every time, because FluentCart comes with a ready-to-go setup for your store, whether you're running your store from Asia or America. Now, let's look at something really important. In regions like the US, Canada, or Europe, taxes are often compounded. This means one tax is calculated on top of another. Most systems struggle with this math, leading to checkout errors. But FluentCart handles these stacked calculations natively. You define the rules once, and the checkout calculates everything correctly every time. And if a tax rate changes temporarily, you can override it manually in seconds without breaking your setup. For my European sellers, this part is for you. If you sell to customers in the European Union, FluentCart gives you multiple ways to handle VAT collection. You can choose the approach that fits your business model and compliance requirements, and once it's set, the system takes care of the rest. The rest of the settings are just the same as we discussed earlier. And when you need clarity, FluentCart gives you a dedicated tax section where you can review all relevant details. So staying compliant doesn't mean digging through logs or spreadsheets. That's how professional e-commerce stores handle currency and taxes, quietly, accurately, and without unnecessary complexity. FluentCart removes a lot of hidden friction from global selling, so you can focus on growing your store instead of managing edge cases. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe to the channel, and to simplify your online store's operation with cutting-edge features, grab FluentCart now. See ya!